Mrs. Kanian Talanya Magnaid, Jumentisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Kanian Talanya Magnaid, Quezon del Flores. At the moment, I could not video myself when it comes to 7 years of black magic. That is why this is what my video is about. Why not shift the course as soon as possible. Myself, when it comes to studying on college, 10 year, 7 year on accountancy, then 3 year on business course. Oh my god. I'm next time. Reason, the word, the doing, the word patience. The patience on myself during uh, accountancy college degree is long. Patience. It is so long. Long. Mahaba. Patience. And then it is as well my energetic feeling. When it comes to energetic feeling, it is it is myself when I study in college accountancy. It is enjoyable when it comes to studying in college accountancy about accountancy course. But my major subject is the problem, which is my grades is such as 69, 68, 67. My lowest grade is 65. The passing grade is 70. Oh my god. And then at the moment I am laughing. But I am serious person. So the person that tends to put me on business course, the situation it is, the person that the situation of myself when I shifted on business course is Alex Junior Co tends to notice on my life, tends to do something to notice on my life, such as not they Alex Angimitisa Junior Co tends to notice himself of myself about college degree. So when Alex Junior Co tends to shows himself on myself on the use of Facebook, myself tends to shift on another course. It is as well because of my friends on Facebook is already on Toga Poto, while myself is studying on college on third level of accountancy, accounting book, accounting book. My status about accountancy, nine, nine subject already is what my left on accountancy course, but I not think of it at the moment. It is, I just say of nine subject is remaining during on my accountancy. Now, that is what could I say. The word is patience. The word is patience. I could feel my heartbeat at the moment. Tug, 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 tug. What else could I say on my patience? The ache on my back is not already aching. It's not already aches. Patience. What else on patience? That is attitude of myself. I could, myself is not on a moment of patience. Oh, 7 year of black magic. Oh, on 7 year of black magic, my patience is not on pagsusumbong, telling to authority person about my situation. It is the, but it, no, patience. No, 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 I tell police about my situation year 2018. And then my patience on 7 year of black magic is I not use technology to tell of what is happening on myself. 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, wait lang. From year 2017, year 2018, year 2019, year 2020, year 2021, year 2022. So I start on telling on Facebook year 2022. Year 2022 or year 2024? Year 2024 is myself tends to tell my situation. Next is about another patients is I not talk with voice, vocal. I just talk of such as inside of the mouth. Year 2017, year 2018, year 2020, year 2019, year 2020. When it is year 2021, myself is already talking, but it is in Chic dialecto. That is another patience about, oh my God. Oh, what else about patience? Oh, my attitude is patience as well. As much as possible, what I just am doing is shouting and then hurting my ear. Such that. What else? Hmm? So that is what myself about before 7 year Black Magic year 2017. My patience is college degree, uh, repeat subject, major subject, and then another. Oh my God! Oh, Alex Junior ko, loving. And person to person. No, the word of patience. I am waiting to him. What else about patience? High school. My high school is goodness. Only year 2017 onwards. I not know what it is. No, patience is as well daddy. Year 2017, my talking about patience is about specific on this camera video of myself, not on other specific situation. Specifically is what myself talking. So it is 9 minutes and 22 seconds. Patience. Another patience of myself. Naturalism. Steady. Loving of myself to Alex Junior ko. myself should be with Alex Jr. ko already. So it is 10 minutes and 7 seconds.